Guys, this is a pack with me blog in which I'm going to show you what I'm packing for my trip to Greece. Just taken out my favorite makeup pouches. This is a very old Victoria's Secret pouch, and this is something that came in PR from Huda Beauty. It says my daughter's name here because she also uses my pouches, but I leave day after, but I want to finish up packing, so let's do it together. I literally have 15 minutes for this, so we'll do this quick. I actually wanted to just show you guys why I'm putting what and some of my really favorite holy grail products, so I literally have to keep them. Firstly, I'm taking the Bioderma brightening cleanser. Me and my husband both use it. It's our favorite facial cleanser. I would prefer a small size, travel size. I know it's advisable, but since both of us use it and this is the only size I think that comes in it, I'm just gonna keep it. I was looking for the CeraVe cleanser, but I think I'm out with it. That's also a gentle cleanser, but I personally love this facial cleanser. So this is pretty much, and it's gonna be hot there, so in that heat definitely need a cleanser like that. Sunscreen, I'm keeping my favorite Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. I love this sunscreen. I think it's one of the best. I'm gonna keep more sunscreens because me and my husband both are gonna use, and there are gonna be days where we're out in the sun and all, so I need some sunscreens for body also, but this is one of my favorite sunscreens for the day, so this is definitely going in. And the things that are top of my head that I know I have to keep, I'm just putting those first. My favorite makeup remover when I'm traveling or when I'm at home. I have the bigger one inside which I use on an everyday basis. This is the small size that I recently just yesterday ordered because I can't do without this for everyday makeup cleansing. This. Now for my moisturizer, I want to keep two. I'm going to keep the Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehl's. It's a new addition to my moisturizing routine and I love it. But you know my favorite moisturizer, the Clinique Moisture Surge. I recently got this in my PR and I'm loving this. So I'm keeping both. This is creamy, this is watery gel based. So keeping both these. I'm going to keep the Clinique Afterglow Serum. Yeah, it's called the Active Glow Serum, sorry. And the Anti-Pigmentation Serum by Eucerin. Two serums that I anyway use a lot. I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to definitely keep this toner, the Dew Milky Toner. I've been using this so much. It's actually a mini, but I love it. So, definitely. The other sunscreen that I'm keeping is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro. If you've seen my favorites video, you guys know how much I love this. Kodali Serum, yeah. This is the last serum I'll carry. I actually can leave one of these two, but I definitely should carry the Kodali serum because Kodali is like really good on my skin, and during traveling you can't ignore skincare, so I'm just gonna keep all of them. I think we are done with skincare, pretty much everything except lip balm is there. Sunscreen, serums, moisturizers, face wash. I think this is it. This is all that I'm carrying in my skincare stash, so we'll keep this as is. Maybe keep a perfume in. Should I keep my favorite perfume? Yeah, Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede is my favorite perfume. But I will keep, actually I'm just going to keep one. You know, we have to travel. I have to learn to travel light, guys. I really don't. I'm very bad at it. Anyway, this is all the skincare I packed. Let's move to makeup because that's the main tricky part where I need to not go overboard. I have to also pack my jewelry. I have to go and buy some jewelry also, like everyday holiday pieces. But firstly, let's pack makeup. I definitely want to keep this L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum Foundation. I'm actually almost over with it, so I'm going to finish it and not get this bottle back. It's one of my most used skin tints lately. Then of course the NARS concealer, this Pack 247 brush. I'm just going in the order of makeup actually. There are kids screaming downstairs, so you might hear that, but it's okay. I want to keep House of Makeup concealer also. Concealers definitely. And this beauty sponge by Simply Nam. Okay, I'm going to keep the House of Makeup skin tint. I'm just checking which one has more. Okay, I'm going to keep this one. House of Makeup skin tint for sure. I'm going to actually keep a lot of skin tints because Holiday Who puts heavy duty makeup. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. We'll keep this lip balm. The Dew no, Individe lip balm. This is my go-to during holidays. This is what I'm going to be keeping. One of my favorite Rare Beauty blushes, which are great for holidays. This is in the shade Happy. Pack 214 brush. I'm keeping this for my blush application. A brown eyeshadow stick, always an essential. This is Laura Mercier Dark Cocoa. I love it. Guys, I'm keeping in no order, but let's just keep everything. Colourpop Cami, a pink lipstick I love. This is the Nykaa Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Blushing Bellini. I love these lip colors. They're pink and they're amazing. NARS American Woman Power Matte lipstick, again a favorite. Keeping this. The Rust Plumping Gloss. These are my favorites. So I'm keeping the Bobbi Brown cream blush. Such a beautiful blush. Definitely keeping this. Guys, keep listening to the kids also. Sorry, I cannot help it. Etude Water Tint. I definitely want a nice tinty makeup. Simply Nam Lip Oil, but later. Under it, I have a lot of stuff in my bag that I want to keep. The Sheer Tint by Clinique. I love it for that very natural look. Like if I want to go to the pool and I still want to look made up. Lip Balm, Sorai Lip Balm, I love. The Peach Glaze Tinted Lip Balm by Laneige. Both these I'm definitely keeping. I love them. Muted Pink Lip Liner by Huda. This is the Complete Concealer by NARS. I definitely need it. And I need a concealer brush. So we'll keep this pack one. Keeping this perfume, Lancome Idole. It's a very small one. You get it on Nykaa. It's amazing. It smells so good. Simply Nam Pernia, Hush Brown and Love Child by Masaba. And this NARS lip gloss. All going in. I love them. We need mascara. I need these clips. Some more clips. Mars eye brush. Oh, I definitely want to keep this. Ruby's Organic Sponge Sticks are so good. If you see, I keep a lot of lip products. I don't know why, but it's a problem, guys. Rich Brown lip pencil by Huda. I love it for my eyes. Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. A Lancome mascara in case. Usually my mascaras are over. Nude Sticks Bohemian Rose, my favorite blush stick. I think we are done with makeup. Base, so we have to calculate it like that. Base done. Primer, we can add one more. Sunscreen's done. Anyway, makeup. Brushes. I need one more foundation brush. I'm going to keep this. Real Techniques. It's actually good for foundation and concealer. Lip products, lip balms, blush, eye makeup. Maybe an eye palette. I love this, but it's very big. Oh, definitely need this Charlotte Tilbury powder because if it's gonna be a sunny day, definitely need this. It's so good. It's an essential, guys. Eye palette. So this Simply Nam's Dusk to Dawn palette. Oh, it's got like really good shades actually, and it's small. Instead of these Too Faced and Urban Decay, very natural. But actually, I use a nude shade, so this should be it. I get so panicked when I have to pack. I don't know. I feel like what if something gets left behind? I could either keep that or I could keep this Morphe eye palette, which is also a small eye palette, but it's like really nice. So safety pin I'm putting because I'll forget. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pink Gasm. It's such a good blush. I have too many blushes now. No more blushes. Hydra Shine Lip Balm. It's amazing. Hope Happy is brighter. Hope is this one. I'm gonna keep Hope. I'm going to keep it. This is Color Chemistry Lip Crayon in the shade Cinnamon. Ruby's Organics Brow Gel, which is amazing. This is a tinted brow gel. And I'm keeping Simply Nam's Lip Tint in the shade Grace. Maybe I want to keep this. This is the Dua Lala Benefit. It's like a dewy skin primer. I think that's it, guys. Now I have Overpack. I will re-look at this packing when I feel I'm overweight, but for now I think this is it. What is this? This is the Hydro Grip Primer. No, yeah, too many products in front of me. I need to stop, but that's makeup and that's skincare for my trip. Hope you enjoy this trip. These are all products I particularly love and obsessed with, so taking them along. Definitely keeping this brush. This is my favorite. I need to keep some hair ties also. So these are the miscellaneous packing things. Also, I'm going to show you quickly some jewelry I'm keeping. This is the little pouch I'm going to keep for jewelry. because I think these definitely earrings will help. They're very holiday. They're from a brand called Dhora. I'm such a studs person, and these are great for like styling. But these are also really nice for a holiday. Nice. These are my favorite Dior hoops. I want to buy more. I bought this from a brand long ago. I've never worn it. Maybe on this holiday I can. This is H&M. The other is this brand that I love. These are also very good for holidays. So I'm gonna put these. This brand that I order a lot from. And simple hoops. I don't keep fancy jewelry. This is my packing for my trip, guys.